6. I've been with NTA for years, and I have enjoyed working with them. And I am very delighted to be here today, and I think our children has really learned a lot from the Charles Drew Science Fair, and I'm happy to know that we still have children that really willing to volunteer their time, and also the people that comes out and volunteer, because it's kind of hard to get people to volunteer on a Saturday and the other time. But I am very grateful to have people that do come out. Most of them come year after year, and we also have other programs that we had, but I think they have gone to the wind. And I hope someday that we can bring back the other programs we had, like the Charles Drew fair we had, because with the math contest and all of that, it went over great, and I thought it was great for our children, because most of our children now, if you take a calculator from them, they cannot use their brains. And we got people that come out of college the same way, because it's here when we tally up the scores, everybody asks you for a calculator. They ask me, how do you do it? I said, because when I came through school, there was no calculators. You had to use your brains. Because I can do one paper or two papers to the people while they're doing one on the computer or their calculator, whatever they call them now. But I thank God for my brains, and they're still in good shape. Being a woman of 80 years old, I'm still doing my volunteer work all in the community. Like we started in NTA, we would give baskets and things away, but I give vegetables away out of my garden to the seniors, and they really enjoy it. There's no child too small that we cannot reach down and help to bring up to the standard of life that they should have. All our children, no matter who they are, they belongs to the older people that are older than them, and we should reach and help them in every special way that we can, because they are our presidents, our secretaries, our CEOs of tomorrow. And I know we should really help these children, and I think we should have funds from someplace else besides us struggling so hard to keep funds in our pocket to carry this program on. And our mayor always looking back to what he can help. He can help NTA. And I wish he would reach out and give us a helping hand with some of the money that goes through down there, because we really can use it in every special way. And I thank God for all the people that has put their time into NTA. God bless you.
Works best when removing certain stains. And my hypothesis was, if spray and wash had a good chemical makeup, then I think that spray and wash will do better on both washes because of the good chemical makeup. And I'm doing 1 millimeter wash of stain remover and a 3 millimeter wash. And over here there are the ingredients that are in it, but I didn't show everything because of trademark secrets. And my materials are washing machine, dryer, white cotton t-shirts, OxyClean spray and wash, Zout, Shout, ketchup, grease, tea, Hawaiian punch, chocolate syrup, crayon, mustard, Italian dressing, and cold water. And I cut 5 t-shirts that look like this in half and put each one of the 8 stains on it, and then I rubbed the stains in. And after I stained one t-shirt, I let it sit for an hour, and when the hour was up, I put it in the washing machine on a 10-minute cycle, and then I put it in the dryer on a 30-minute cycle. And I did the same thing with all the other shirts except for the last one, which was my control. I didn't put any stain remover on it. And I did the experiment again, but this time I put 3 millimeters of stain remover on it. And so basically, I had 3 graphs, and this one shows which amount of stain remover got the most stains out, the 3 millimeter or the 1 millimeter. And as you can see, they equally got about 9 stains out, but there are some stains that aren't showing on this graph that both of them got equally out. And this graph shows the number of stains removed during the 1 millimeter wash, and OxyClean got 4 stains out, Zout got 1 stain out, Shout got 1 stain out, Spray and Wash got 1 stain out, and the control got no stains out. This one shows the number of stains removed during the 3mm wash, and OxyClean got 2 stains out, Zout got 3 stains out, Shout got 0 stains out, Spray and Wash got 2 stains out, and the control got 1 stain out. And so my conclusion was that basically the data that I collected did not support my hypothesis because I thought Spray and Wash would work better, but OxyClean worked better on the 1mm wash and Zout worked better on the 3mm wash. So that shows that my hypothesis wasn't correct.
So tell me your name again.
Taylor.
And what school do you go to?
Carlo.
And what grade are you in?
6th.
What are you going to do with your conclusion here? Would you send that to the company so that they might stop advertising?
Okay, I did this experiment so consumers will know which stain remover works best, and so they wouldn't have to continuously buy clothes, which therefore helps people in third world countries not to have to keep making new clothes at minimum wages.